this is the unboxing of the KYT NFR Force. So this is a medium size, if you want to know. The price is 6.8. Oy, oy, oy. Disaster. Sige. Nice. Rat. A nice rat at the bike. Pack. ICC stickers. I like the stars, all the stars inside like this. It's quite nice on top also. A good design. That's a good thing with NFR or KYT in general. You always have a nice design, so you always have plenty of choice. Yeah, this is a medium size, of course, 1500 grams. Inside, still the same quality, still nice. Yeah, KYT Force. Apart from KYT helmet, we also have TT-Course dark visor, Vendetta dark visor. We also have motul gear oil for scooter, motul scooter oil, 3000 plus 10W40, and the 5100. We have Repro anti-fogs, funnel and chain brush available, so you just have to check in the link in this description for Eclo by Manila on Facebook and just send us a message.